Hey, what's up, Sami here. This is the Huawei Mate 60 Pro, one of the hottest phones recently, if not the hottest. Because this is the first real 5G phone from Huawei, 4 years after the USA's first sanction. Huawei's handsets then dropped from the top 2 to others in global market share. But here it is now. No launch event, not even a single official video of this Mate 60 Pro. It's sold more than 800,000 units since August 29th. Many people buy it without even hearing about its specs or prices. They buy it because of its Huawei branding. Yes, more of the symbolic meaning than the phone itself. But in this video, let's just talk about the phone. Let's get started. So first, let's check out the design. So on top we have the infrared blaster and the denoise mic. All right, and the Type-C speaker, SIM card tray, also the power key and the volume rocker. And here is the back. That is the classical ring design. For the camera specs, we just list on the screen. The phone, to be honest, has a really nice feel to it. One of the biggest difference compared to Mate 60 is for the Pro. It has these 3 dots on the front. They have all the colors for the Mate 60 Pro. Let me show you one by one. So this is, I don't know, just check the green color. Wow, feels really nice. Purple color, it has this kind of leather finish for the upper body. Black one, again, comes with this leather finish. And lastly, this is the white version. Just let me know which one do you prefer. Alright, I have changed it to English. So first, let's check out its specs, right? So we have Harmony OS, obviously, Harmony OS version 4.0, and we have the RAM 12 gigs and plus 256 gigs of internal storage. The resolution is to 2688 by 1216. Doesn't show any more information about the chipset or something, but we know it's Kirin 9000S. Though it's 9000S, it has nothing to do with Kirin 9000. Okay, that's it. First of all, we want to run Antutu benchmark. Okay. Alright, that is the Antutu score. Obviously, it has a glitch because it didn't detect the CPU. So that's current, it is what it is now. Wow, I feel like the bike does not feel like hot at all. As you can see, the maximum temperature is like 38 degrees, so it's really good. Alright, this is the camera interface of the Huawei Mate 60 Pro. It supports up to 10 times optical zoom, ultra wide, 1 time, 3.5, 10 times, all the way up to 100 zoom. Let's take about the videos. So videos, well, right, main 4 times and up to 10 times. For the camera performance, I will do a really detailed one later, so stay tuned for that. Here I just take a few samples here. 4K 60 FPS for the main camera. Just check out how many people like want to get their hands on the Mate 60 Pro. Okay. Okay, we'll do a very detailed camera review later, so stay tuned. And for the front camera, one thing I noticed is that it supports 4K 60 FPS. So that's great. Let's just take some. Okay, that's it. All right, front camera. Let me take some. It has different like effects like stage lighting. Alright, let's check out its audio quality.
做空姐乘务长老。
Alright, that's a video. I will do a really detailed review later once I get my hands on the official version. So stay tuned for that and let me know, what else you want to know about this phone. Just leave in the comments and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Sami will see you in the next one. Bye bye.